tight. Clothes are good friends, or something that's really cool. Example, we've been tight since high school. Bomb. Really good, often used for food or something impressive. Example, this pizza is bomb. I could eat it every day. OG. Short for original gangster, meaning someone who's the best at something or the original. Example, he's the OG of basketball in our neighborhood. Hundo P. 100% certain or sure about something. Example, I'm hundo P going to the festival next weekend. Low key. Secretly or quietly, not wanting to draw attention. Example, I'm low-key excited about the trip, but I don't want to jinx it. Sick. Another way to say something is really cool or awesome. Example, your new bike is sick. Salty. Being upset or bitter, often used in a playful way. Example, he's a little salty about losing the game, but he'll get over it. Bet. Used to agree or confirm something, like okay or for sure. Example, you coming to the game? Bet. No cap. No lie, for real. Example, that was the best concert I've ever been to, no cap. Plug. Someone who provides access to something valuable, like tickets or connections. Example, she's the plug for backstage passes to the concert. Drip. Someone's fashionable style, especially with clothes or accessories. Example, he's always showing up with the best drip. His style is on point. Breezy. Calm, relaxed, and easygoing, like a breeze. Example, I'm feeling breezy today, just taking things as they come. Goals AF. Something that is very admirable or something you aspire to, with extra emphasis. Example, Their vacation photos are goals AF. I want to go there. Bodied. When someone performs exceptionally well or completely dominates in a competition or situation. Example, she bodied that dance routine. Bless up. To express gratitude or appreciation, especially in a positive way. Example, got a promotion at work, bless up. Squad goals. When a group of friends is admirable or inspirational. Example, look at them traveling together, total squad goals. Big mood. A stronger version of mood, meaning something that completely matches how you feel. Example, when it's Friday and you're ready for the weekend, that's a big mood. Boss. Doing something with a lot of confidence or skill, or being in charge. Example, you handled that project like a boss. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.